Hello everyone. Faisal is sharing again. So we are here today. We are going to do this session in English. Introduction about our channel and everything. We will go from here. This is a one village that called Colminar Viejo to Paseo de la Castellana. This is one street where we have for the tourists. That means the four buildings of the Madrid that are really very famous and everything. We will during the ride we will do some music videos and we will introduce you our channel and introduction of our channel and everything. First one we will have view from the inside of the our car, then we will have from the outside in the road. This is like a relaxing video and you will see the road trip 360 angle from inside of my car and from the outside how it looks, the roads and everything. Then we will make this screen interesting and I will introduce you the people who come in Spain and they are non Spanish like they can't speak Spanish, so we will help them to understand everything and we will give them some good rides and everything. This is a one concept video. We are going to introduce you our channel and everything. So let's start. We are here in like in supermarket of Colminar Viejo. From this point we are just going to exit from the parking of this place and we will have some music and everything. So let's start our trip. We have a one concept to make our YouTube channel. We are struggling with this. The main purpose of this channel is to give our passengers a 360 ride, like a good memory when they are going back from the Spain, they are for holidays or anything. We will pay them like free. This is going to be their memory and a good thing to remember. This is really very good place where I am living. So we are going to make this happen.
En la rotonda coge la cuarta salida. Luego en la rotonda sigue recto en calle del 12 de octubre. En la rotonda coge la segunda salida en Avenida Trasera. Luego en la rotonda coge la quinta.
This is a hilly point where I am living. This is really very good place. When I just end up my work, I just come in the way. I just love to see all this greenery and all this place. So main concept of our channel is to introduce people, to give them entertainment, you know. So
Luego en la rotonda coge la primera salida en vía de servicio M607 acceso La Maquinilla.
if you are interested, when you are here to live some hilly point and a little bit a countryside, like a little bit away from your that's really very good scene that you people can't see. We have like mountains and we have like everything white right at the top of the mountains, you know. What a beautiful mountains. You have to know them. Very next time I will do some vlogging over there also. So I was telling you about our channel. If you are visiting Spain and if you have a good luck to take one ride with us, so we will give you like 360 angle of your ride. You will enjoy this to give you a good memory, to make you a little bit famous in YouTube and everything. We have 360 ride means we are like environmental friendly cars we are using like hybrid or electric cars. Then we are using this application and your 360 view when you are traveling with us. I will do some music, I will do everything. I am just on the road, so there is a lot of traffic, so I have to be a little bit conscious and be aware of everything. And I am working on Uber, so I am a driver of Uber, so I am going to record with my passengers and for entertainment and everything. Then we have some type of interviews of the struggling people, or if you have any talent or you are famous or social media person, so we will record you. Very next in very few days I am going to record one person. I can't tell his name. He will come here to introduce himself. I don't know in which language he would like to do this interview, because I am doing this in 3 languages, like in Spanish and in my native language, that is Punjabi and Urdu, and then we will have some sessions in English also. People who visit Spain, this is really very good place. This is like your second home. From anywhere of the world you are coming, Spain will welcome you, and you will enjoy the weather, the people. Like, they are really very open. You will not sit bad. If you are sitting in one table, you are like the 2 Spanish people, 2 from just like country like Latin Americanos or some Asian, you will never feel bad or something. These people will let you do anything. People who come, sometime I have some passenger from USA and everything. They just tell me before coming to Spain, they have listened that Spain is number 1 or number 2 for tourists. So they can't understand what this Spain should have some special, why this is number 1 or number 2. But when they just come here, they spend some days or some weeks, they just feel that Spain has something different from other world. They have something special, you know. You will feel like you are sitting in your home. Here you can do anything that is legal, not anything bad. But you can enjoy, you can have the festivals, you can have parties, you can have anything you want. You will be sit very comfortable and very nice. We have really very good. I would suggest you people, whenever you come to Spain, just come outside of Madrid if you want to look. People who are finding out some calm and some space like mountain, some hiking places where they can go and walk through and everything. This is really very nice place. We are struggling with this. This is a really very nice place that I have. So said like they just said, if you want to be rich, you have to like encourage yourself to look like this. That is not to spend all of your saving or your money, but just respect yourself. Give a lot of respect to yourself and feel, and just give you good feelings, you know. These videos are going to be like motivational also for the people who are like struggling with their like thinking, and they are like have some type of crisis, like mental crisis or anything, or they are just like addicted, or they are just like, you know, they are been suffering for something, for their thinking and everything. They just think that they can't change their life, they can't earn money, they can't do work well. So we are here to motivate you. We will bring a lot of people, we will do their live interviews. A lot of people will be struggling. They are not going to be millionaires, but they are just like struggling every day. They are giving their time, their energy to improve themselves, to make themselves a little bit more space, you know. have one behind them that is parked here. I don't know why. So this is a concept video that we are struggling with. This we have to do like 200 videos, like brainstorming and thinking about everything. In very few days we are going to make these videos like these video clips like very short, because now we are working on the concept of long driving, where you are just talking with people and you are just enjoying your rides and everything. So whenever you come here, you can contact me on my YouTube channel. I will give you a free ride wherever you want to go, but we will record your best feeling. We will have your interview, because everyone is doing something good, because they are like utilizing their energy to make themselves a little bit like people should listen to them, people should understand them. He just want to introduce to everybody. So we are here to help you in this sense. Or some, if you are a star like in social media like TikTok or YouTube or Facebook, we will give you a ride. This ride will not be like your like professional life. This should be what you think about anything. They said that if you are driving with somebody, in a half hour people will start to tell you who they are, how they are living, what is their like life, how they sit, like how they feel from the inside of themselves. We have some problem with music. I don't know why we don't have a good music. Just enjoy this song. This is really very famous song. Enjoy your ride. Just think or just feel that you are just traveling from Colmenar Viejo to your Paseo de Castellana. This street is like more important street of Madrid, where you have lot of buildings. This is very expensive. Lot of like companies, they have their buildings. They have lot of restaurants, hotel types, and everything. Enjoy the song, please. Something like live streaming, or on this concept we are working. This is long drive. We are not doing live streaming, but in very few days we are just been trying to make this possible to have live streaming, about some rides. We will give you one time where we will be live. We will have some people to do with them some rides, some interviews and everything. Because what I have learned with my life experience, most of us, we are thinking that we don't have this quality of voice to express ourselves, or we can't do this. No, you have to do this. Don't think about anybody. If you think you can do, you will do, and you have to do. And always what you have natural, you will sell it better. The copy of anything, you can't sell it for a long time. To make content for YouTube or for some people who are struggling like me, I am also new one in this sector because I don't know too much about this. So for struggling people, you have to take step to get enter in the game, and what I have learned, you have to make 200 or 300 videos to make this, to have some confidence on all this type of things. All the people who are like working in the social media or they have YouTube channel, everybody has made lot of struggles, they have made first 1 year, 2 year, they have used some rough stuff, different type of videos and everything. And give us suggestions if you have some good suggestion to improve ourselves. We are just improving ourselves, just struggling hard to make this. Now we have 9 kilometers, we have like 15 minutes more. I will try to find out some better music. I only listen English music in radio of this country because I am not too much attached with English music. I have like Spanish music and Pakistani, I just listen more, that's why I know better. It's looking good now. We have started to, yes, we are just near to these buildings and everything. We are just entering to the center of Madrid, the heart of Madrid. This is one way that is called Paseo de la Castellana, is like the heart of the Madrid. All the very important companies, they are registered there. They have their buildings. They have like 5-star hotels. They have like universities and everything there. I love to live outside, a little bit far from the center, to live like my accommodation. But for work, I just come every day in the center. I do 10 to 15 hours every day on my work. That is not only that I am spending my time in YouTube, If you are watching our videos, thank you very much, and you will learn. We are improving. Every time when you will see this video, this should be a little bit better than the previous one. Because I am new one here, so this is not like excuse to that I am new one. No, this is a new field, so I am struggling and working every day. This is my favorite. This is my favorite street of the Madrid. I just love to come here most of the time. I love this place. I love to come here, like to drive, have all drives and everything. You will see this street a lot more because whenever I will do some interviews and all this type of thing, I would like to come over here, So this is like the heart of this is also an entrance of the Madrid. These two buildings, and in the center they have this like roundabout. This is also really very good place. I love this place, And this is very important to have lot of embassies and all these type of things over here. This is very important street, and so we will use this street to come outside, and we will try to park our car in somewhere, and we will end up this video. This is also really very good entrance to the roundabout. That is also these two buildings. First there were one bank, that is La Caixa. Now the one building is Guairo. This is the property of like insurance company, and other one is bank. there we will take right. If you have watched this video, so thank you very much. We are really very thankful to you to watch this video and everything. We are okay. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice life. Have a nice day.